Upcycle art and public spaces. When you walk through the glass walls of a modern office, would a huge pile of junk in the middle of the open space amaze you? In reality, captivating upcycled sculptures and installations created from trash and discarded materials have been making their way into public spaces across the globe. Not only do they enhance the venues, like all displayed art pieces, but upcycled art also raises awareness about sustainability, engages communities, sparks conversations about our environment, and prompts us to reconsider our materialistic consumption habits. Upcycle art serves a multitude of functions when integrated into public spaces, offering unique benefits from aesthetic appeal to community engagement. Enhancing aesthetics and artistic expression. Being a fundamental characteristic of all art forms, upcycled art adds a distinctive and visually captivating element to public spaces, enhancing their overall aesthetic appeal. These spaces become open-air galleries for artists, providing a showcase for their creativity and artistic expression, particularly in their innovative use of repurposed materials. Colonihavis, currently exhibited in Brooklyn Bridge Park, is a stunningly beautiful outdoor sculpture by American artist Tom Fruin. It is constructed from 1,000 pieces of reclaimed plexiglass and colorful salvaged steel from a closed-down plexi framing shop. The Big Fishes is a sculpture in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, constructed entirely from discarded plastic bottles. It rises out of the sand at Botafogo Beach. While the materials highlight the detrimental impact of plastic pollution on marine life, this mesmerizing installation also beautifies the public space with its aesthetic appearance, becoming a focal point for visitors. Revitalizing urban landscapes. Upcycled art installations revitalize urban areas with their unconventional materials and impactful messages, transforming ordinary street spaces or mundane landscapes into hubs of cultural expression and engaging environments. Waste Landscape was a 500 square meter art installation by artist Elise Morin and architect Clemence Eliard at the Halle d'Aubervilliers in Paris. Blanketed with 65,000 wasted CDs, hand-sewn to create an undulating and reflective surface, the artificial hilly landscape formed an unusual immersive experience for passers-by. Composed of electrical and electronic equipment, WEE, such as TVs, fridges, freezers, cookers, and MP3 players, the Wee Man sculpture, designed by Paul Bonamini at the Eden Project in the UK, draws attention to the e-waste crisis. The giant structure stands imposingly in the landscape, presenting a pressing force for viewers to rethink their disposal behavior regarding abandoned electrical equipment. Promoting sustainability and circular economy. By diverting materials from landfills and giving them new life through art, upcycle art installations in public spaces serve as tangible examples of how creativity and sustainability can coexist. They raise awareness about overconsumption, promote rethinking waste reduction, and inspire the general public to adopt more circular practices. Artist Alejandro Duran's Washed Up is an ongoing project featuring large-scale sculptures of marine life, created entirely from plastic debris collected from beaches, prompting discussions about ocean conservation and plastic pollution in various locations. Trash People, by Ha Schult, has been a traveling art installation, staged each year in a new city worldwide. These life-sized sculptures are made from recycled materials, crushed cans, electronic trash, and other waste products. The artist refers to these 1,000 statue-like figures as refugees of consumer society, drawing visitors and fostering dialogue on waste and consumption patterns. Fostering community engagement and empowerment. One notable aspect of upcycled art, particularly in large-scale public projects, is its emphasis on community participation and collaboration. This vital characteristic arises from the necessity of material contributions and the educational role it plays in enlightening the general public, fostering a sense of communal ownership, and empowering individuals to take environmental action collectively. Projects like the Plastic Bottle Village in Panama exemplify the collective efforts of residents. This community project, led by artist Robert Bezzo, aims to build entire villages by repurposing plastic waste to create functional structures, such as a castle and dungeon. Razzle Dazzle, by American artist Amanda Browder, uses fabric collected from dozens of recycled, donated, or locally sourced origins, from community members and volunteer artists. These individuals also helped cut, pin, and sew together 10,000 square feet of fabric in the actual craft. The creations are seriously bold and sculptural gestures at epic scales. Not only do they redefine the spaces they occupy, but also serve as symbols of cultural engagement within the community. Iconic attraction for tourism and leisure. Upcycled art can serve as a unique attraction for tourists, drawing visitors to public spaces, initiating cultural dialogue, and contributing to local economies. The Waste to Wonder Park in New Delhi, India, is a one-of-a-kind attraction, where structures are crafted from waste materials. Also referred to as the Seven Wonders Park, this distinctive theme park reinterprets iconic global monuments, using discarded items like broken park benches, pipes, scrap angles, vehicle parts, metal railings, and various other waste objects. It has evolved into a popular tourist destination, drawing a steady flow of visitors. The Plastic Island installation in London's Trafalgar Square attracted thousands of visitors. Artists Luzinterruptus created a sea of 13,000 trashed bottles, gathered from around the city, floating in the middle ring of the fountain, reassembling images of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, to advocate for more responsible plastic use and disposal. The piece's artistic execution and thought-provoking concept made it an iconic attraction and contributed to the city's cultural and tourism offerings. While upcycled art in public spaces offers immense potential for creative expression, artists may grapple with challenges of durability, weather resistance, potential vandalism, and sustainable practices. As we witness the growing synergy between upcycle art and public spaces, it becomes evident that these creative endeavors hold the key to reshaping our urban landscapes, engaging community empowerment, and nurturing a greener, more mindful society. UAACS, Upcycle Art and Craft Society. When creativity meets sustainability.